This is an emergency alert system EASE notification regarding a highly unusual and potentially hazardous phenomenon known as blood rain. Blood rain refers to a meteorological occurrence in which rainwater appears red or has a reddish hue due to various environmental factors. This phenomenon is extremely rare and can be a cause for concern. Authorities are actively working to determine the cause of the blood rain phenomenon and assess any potential health risks associated with it. Please remain patient and wait for further updates from local authorities. Do not spread rumors or misinformation, as this may cause unnecessary panic among the community. Emergency response teams, including meteorological experts and health professionals, are on standby to investigate and address the situation. It is crucial to cooperate with them and provide any relevant information that may assist in their efforts. Please stay tuned to this station for further updates as they become available. Remember, your safety is our utmost priority, and we are working diligently to keep you informed and protected.